Hi kids. In today's session you are going to learn about the utility. What is the meaning of the utility? First we will see that. Utility means usefulness. In economics, utility is the want satisfying power of a commodity or a service. The commodity, how the people are using it and in which place they are utilizing it and in which particular time they are utilizing it. According to that alone, we are saying that the goods and services it is utilized by the people, whether it is utilized by the people in the proper manner or not, that one is called as a utility. Now we will move on to the characteristics of utility. Utility, it is a psychological, it depends on the consumer's mental attitude. Yes, each and every person they will be having the different mental attitude, that somebody they may like the vegetarian, somebody they may like the non-vegetarian, isn't it? So psychologically it depends upon the consumer mental attitude alone. Somebody they may like the idli, somebody they may like the dosa, like that. Utility is not equivalent to usefulness. It is not equivalent to the usefulness, because a smoker, for example they given here, a smoker derives utility from a cigarette, but its health gets affected, isn't it? Yes, whenever, that means you are utilizing something there, we can't able to say that it is very useful to us, isn't it? For example, we may say about the when you are eating the chocolates, when you are eating the chocolate, it is utilized by you, but whether it is useful for your health, no, not at all, isn't it? Next, utility is not the same as pleasure. It is not same as pleasure. Pleasure means what? We are, that means it won't give the pleasant to you, like that also we are saying. That means sometimes when the person, when is a sick person, when he takes the medicine, that means he is utilizing the medicine, but definitely it is not providing pleasure to him, isn't it? Pleasure means, you know very well, pleasure, what is the meaning of pleasant, we may say, isn't it? That means when you are using the medicine, it won't give you the happiness. Okay, next, utility is personal and relative. An individual obtains varied utility from one and the same good in different situations and places. What they are saying, same only on the same goods only, we are utilizing in the different situation and also in the different places. Utility is the function of the intensity of human want. Intensity of human want, that means what the human he need. From that alone we are saying that whether the thing it is useful for the person or not. An individual consumer faces a tendency of diminishing utility. Each and every individual consumer, he faces the tendency of utility, diminishing the utility. That means the destroying the utility also we may say, otherwise reducing the utility also we may say, isn't it? Each and every person, they won't use the, everybody, it won't be useful anything, it won't be useful for the same, like that one person is utilizing it. For example, I may say about the one mathematical studying student, he will use the geometry box. Okay, same that same geometry box, whether it is useful for the student, one who is studying science, sir, no, not at all, same thing alone, but the use, the what is that, the use of that thing, it is reduced in some places. Utility is a subjective concept. It cannot be measured objectively and it cannot be measured numerically. Utility means usefulness, I said, isn't it? That means what we are using it. We can't be able to say how much we are utilizing. That means how much we are wants is actually utility. It is a wants alone. How much you are satisfied, whether you can able to show that one to anyone there in the numerically. No, not at all. Just you will say that I satisfied very much, like that alone you will say, but you can't be able to measure and say to someone else there. Utility has no ethical or moral significance. There is no ethical as well as the moral significance in the utility. For example, we may say that a cook derives utility from a knife using which he cuts some vegetables, and a killer wants to stab his enemy by that knife. Same thing, only one thing only there, knife, but it is useful for one person, that means used by one person in the separate way, different way, and by another person it is in the different way. That means what they are saying, a commodity has utility, but if it is satisfies a human wants or not, that only depends upon the human being, because each and every human being, they are utilizing each and every product in the different manner. Next, types of utility. There are so many types of utility. Here they given about the form utility, time utility, place utility, service utility, position utility, and knowledge utility. Form utility. An individual consumer obtains utility from a goods or services only when it is available in a particular form. Particular form is, we may say about the rice. Okay, for example, you may take about the rice. Rice, when you are, how you are utilizing it, as it is you are taking that raw rice? No, after it cooked only you are taking that one. That means you need that rice, but in the different form only you need it, isn't it? That is called as a form utility. Time utility. A sick man derives time utility from blood not at the time of its donation, but only in the operation time when it is used. Yes, it is correct only. That means when you need the thing, that time alone you will utilize that thing, isn't it? For example, now you are in the arts group, you are utilizing the economics book, isn't it? But when you are moving to the science group, whether it is useful for you there? No, not at all. That means when it will be used by you, the time only decides. Here they given in the example with the sick man. Sick man, when he need the blood, not at the all the time, only when the operations going on to him, that time only he need the blood there. Place utility. A student derives place utility from a book not at the place of its publication, isn't it? But only at the place of his education. That you know, isn't it? The student, when he is using his, that means he is using his book only when he is going to study there, but he is not going to utilize that one when it is publication. That means when it is published itself, whether it is utilizing there? No, not at all, isn't it? What they are going to say, that means the things, it is utilized by the people, it is according to the place only, we are saying. For example, we may say in the another thing also, when you are going to the hospital, when you are moving to the hospital, you are moving along with the sick person. Whether the sick person will get the treatment, otherwise yourself, only the sick person only will get the treatment, isn't it? That means both are only utilizing it. That means you are not going to utilize that hospital in the future. No, it is useful for you, but that one is not the time to utilize by you. Service utility. An individual consumer derives service utility from a service made available at the time when he most needs it. For example, clients obtain service utility from their lawyers. Patients derive service utility from the doctors, and drivers, they need the service utility from the, that means consumer, the consumer, they need the service utility from the shopkeeper. Okay, and traveler, he need the service utility from the driver. Like that it goes on. That means the services from whom we are going to get, that is called as a service utility. Next, possession utility. When a student buy a book or dictionary from a bookseller, then only it gives utility. Otherwise, if it is kept in the shop itself, whether it will be useful there? Not at all. Knowledge utility. It is the utility derived by having knowledge of a particular thing. That means advertisement serves as a source of information on an object. Particular thing, we may say about any television, you are saying television or biscuit or toothpaste or otherwise anything. How you will get the knowledge about that thing, whether it is came into the market or not? Through the advertisement only you are getting the knowledge of that product, isn't it? That means when the one thing, if you are going to sell it, means you should know about, that means you should have the knowledge about that thing when you are buying it. Through the advertisement only we are getting the knowledge of it. Next, measurability of utility. Wants of a person are satisfied by the act of consumption. The consumer derives utility measured in terms of utils. An util is a unit of measurement of utility. Util is a unit of measurement of the utility, how much you utilized. That on how they are measuring there with the instrument of the util. Instrument means not the instrument, measurement only we are saying. How we are saying is a centimeter, kilometer, like that. Same like that only they are measuring in the utility in that form of util. An individual pays a price for the unit of the goods equal to the utility derived. That means when you are buying one product, what are doing there? You are paying the money and you are purchasing that one. That means how much you are paying it, that only is utilized by you. Like that alone they are saying. That is called as a util. Marshall state that utility can be measured indirectly using the measuring rod of money. That only I also stated, isn't it? What they are saying, that means utility, it is measured only with the money. Measured only with the money, how much you are paying for that one. For anything, when you are purchasing any goods, otherwise when you are getting the services, at that moment how much you are paying it, that much only you are utilizing it. That means the measurement of the utility is the money alone.